Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own animations with characters speaking or singing, but felt like it was just too complicated, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll walk you through how to animate lip sync in Canva from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your characters appear to talk or sing, bringing your creative projects to life without fancy software or a steep learning curve. Let's jump right in. First, we'll go straight to the Elements tab inside Canva. Think of this as the treasure chest where you'll find everything you need to build out your scene. From here, let's look for a video background, something simple that sets the mood for your animation. Maybe that's a vibrant cityscape, a cozy room, or even a nature scene, depending on the vibe you're going for. Just drag and drop your chosen background onto your canvas. This sets the stage and gives context for your lip sync animation. Don't feel overwhelmed if you see tons of options, just pick something that feels right for the story or message you want to tell. Now on to the next step, selecting a person who is actually lip syncing. Canva offers a variety of video elements featuring people, so search for a clip where the person is visibly talking or miming singing. Here, the key: choose someone whose mouth movements are clear, since this will make your final animation feel much more natural and convincing. If it takes a little while to find a good clip, that's completely normal. Getting the right footage now will save you time and hassle later. Once you've found your actor, click on the video to add it to your scene. At this point, it's helpful to position the video in a way that makes your character the main focus. Now we want to make our subject stand out even more, so here, where the magic happens, click on the video, then use Canva's background remover tool. This tool works just like a green screen, instantly removing everything behind your character so they're isolated and you don't have any distracting backgrounds clashing with your chosen scene. Depending on the complexity of your video, this part might take a few moments, and sometimes you might need to tidy up the edges with Canva's built-in tools. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect on the first try. A little patience goes a long way. You're almost there. Now, to truly breathe life into your animation, you'll want your character to actually say something. If you have a recorded voiceover, maybe it's your own voice or someone else's, this is where you add it in. Just upload the audio file to Canva and sync it up with the video. Try to align the timing of the speech with the mouth movements of your character as best as you can. Don't stress if it doesn't line up perfectly at first. You can nudge the audio and video until they're in sync. It's sort of like matching karaoke lyrics to the song, a little back and forth, and then suddenly it clicks. And that's it, you've created your own lip sync animation in Canva. See, it's actually pretty easy once you break it down, and you don't need any complicated animation software to get a fantastic result. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative guides just like this one. Got questions or want to share your own creations? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.